One of the things I like about having a YouTube channel is I occasionally get great tips from people on food preparation. And someone sent me a link to a tip for preparing corn on the cob really easily. I told a neighbor about it. He says, oh, he and his girlfriend have tried it. It doesn't work. Well, I had to try it. It works. So let's do corn on the cob. I've got an ear of corn here. I bought some corn yesterday at the store. I'm going to get this cleaned up a little bit. Took off some of those loose ends and I gave it a decent scrub in the sink. I don't need this whole end stalk on there. All right, I'm going to pop this in the microwave. The instructions said 4 to 5 minutes. If you want to do multiple ears, you add another minute for each ear you add to the microwave. So I'm going to do this 5 minutes in my microwave. So here is my corn out of the microwave, quite warm, I should add. And then what you want to do is you want to cut the bottom off about where the bottom of the ear is. So I'm going to say about right here, because you want to release all of these husk pieces. So say right there. Yes, that looks good. I've released all of those. And then, get that out of the way, turn this around. Using a towel, you grip the end, and then you start shaking the ear out. And as you're shaking, you're also squeezing kind of further and further down every time you grip. See, it's starting to come out. Here it is. Look at that. I can take some of these off. And there it is. Now I want to show you, it's hot. I want to show you what's inside here. If I can do this without burning myself, because this is hot with steam. Look, there's all the, that's all the corn silk. It came off with the husks. Look at that, clean and ready to eat. So I want to spread a little bit of butter on there. Let that melt in. This, by the way, is, I guess it's white corn or almost white corn. It's not the nice, really yellow corn. And these are some of the smallest corn kernels I've ever seen on a corn cob. Then I'm going to lightly salt that, just lightly. All right, let's eat. So there it is. I put a couple of those little corn handles on it. See what I got here? Hot. Delicious corn and easy to do, so I'm going to have a little morning snack here.